अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक। हम जा रहे थे खाना खाने के लिए, तो आप हमारे साथ चलें, आपको भी लेके चलते हैं। कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम?
We are going to CHAO.
Is that how you pronounce it?
I have no idea. We're about to find out.
Okay, we'll find out.
It's a Thai place in Herndon, Virginia, and it has a 4.5 star rating. So you know it's quality food and quality atmosphere.
We'll find out if it's quality food or not. And it's raining. बारिश कितनी तेज हो रही है. So Spice Village है ना सामने?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we take a right here. And this is Herndon Parkway. क्या है इसका नाम?
Centerville Road.
Centerville Road. तो वो बाहर थी ना? ये वाली कौन सी रोड है? I have no idea.
PHRA Road.
Alright, that's the restaurant.
Right there.
Come. Oh, Ali, we should try this.
Yeah.
We should try this cinnamon place.
Yeah, the Cinnaholic.
Cinnaholic. And there's an Indian restaurant on the side too. Oh my God, look at the water. Look at the puddles of water everywhere. So this is the restaurant, PHRA, which we will find out inside. के इसको pronounce कैसे करते हैं? Let's go inside. Oh my God, बाहर. And as you enter, यहाँ पे बड़ी cute सी चीज़ें हैं. Look at this. So cute. Okay. Alright, so look at the menu. So cute. So cute. It's a nice restaurant. So these are their starters. The soup. And these are the starters. Oh, unfortunately, this is not halal, by the way. So we will have to have either vegetarian or seafood. Is that all?
Yep.
Oh, nahi, back side pe bhi hai. This is the noodle and rice.
I don't know. Yeah.
Crispy what?
I don't even know what I'm getting.
No, but you said something like crispy something.
I
What?
was just reading it.
What was it?
It's like shrimp roll.
Shrimp roll?
Yeah.
What are you getting?
I think I might get the drunken noodles.
I haven't even decided yet. I think I'm gonna get the kapow fried rice. Do they have the kapow fried rice? Yeah. So how do you pronounce it?
Which one?
The restaurant's name?
Chapria Thai.
Choprea?
Yes.
Choprea, okay.
Yes.
Alright.
Must spicy.
It's not that much spicy?
Yes.
Okay. Is your spice level too much?
No, medium is just, you can have it. I think when you keep, you can.
Okay. So I'll get a pad thai medium with the spice level 2 and with shrimp. And then
Do you want regular spicy, regular or just one spicy? Regular? Yeah.
regular.
And I'll get I have a question. So for the cow soy chicken, can we substitute the chicken with shrimp?
It's already put chicken in the
Oh,
curry,
marinade.
so
Okay.
yes.
Then I will get the drunken noodles with shrimp.
Drunken noodle with shrimp.
And the level 2 spicy, right?
Yeah, level 2 spicy.
Yeah.
And just a question, the chicken here is not halal, right?
No, chicken is
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's my pad thai, right? I hope my spice level is not that much either.
It's not an appetizer, it's an appetite killer.
All right, let's dig in. Let me try this now. Moise, napkin on your lap, please.
Yeah,
Try it. Try it.
oh wow.
मैंने कहा है ना
Not too bad.
मैंने कहा है ना मैंने कहा है there is no peanuts in there.
Just making sure that you can never be too careful. See, sometimes they can just put it on the side.
And look. Look. Where's napkin? Yeah. How is yours?
It's very good. It's a little on the spicy side, but it's good.
How's yours? Good?
Yeah,
Loudly?
yeah,
Good?
good. It's good.
I think we got it.
Okay, let's go. The food was awesome, right?
Oh yeah.
But way too spicy. So next time when we come here, we have to choose level 1. So आप लोग जो vlog देख रहे हैं, please जब आप लोग इस restaurant में आए, if you cannot tolerate a lot of heat, then please choose spice level 1. Because we chose spice level 2 and it was super spicy. But the food was awesome.
What's the rating?
I give it 5 on 5.
5 on 5.
Yeah.
So,
You?
yeah, 4.
4?
4 out of 5. Yeah.
Why 4?
I feel like it took a while to get seated and had somebody come to us. So
You were being such a...
we had to critique
4.9.
everything, you know.
Oh, okay.
This
4.9?
is the full experience.
All right. So my younger one is giving a 4.9 rating and my older one is giving
I
a...
would take off 5 decimals for
But
the
now it's time now.
for the
Let's go to
seating
What is it?
Cinnaholic.
Cinnaholic. Cinnamon, to get some cinnamon rolls in there. Need something to eat, something sweet. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want? What do you want? This is Biscoff.
Yep.
Oh wow. They have flavors.
Sherry looks nice too.
Yeah. Ali, they have strawberry too. I think that's strawberry. Oh, that's raspberry. Looks like raspberry.
Chocolate covered? No. Yeah.
Chocolate something covered strawberry.
I might try the PHRA one.
Okay, order it. These are cookies. I mean the brownies.
Yeah, so these are brownies, and then that's chocolate chip banana bread.
Wow, look at that. Okay,
Just cut it in half.
half or maybe cut it in quarter. I just need a little bit. It's a very cute shop here in Herndon. And it's still raining. Are you done? Let's taste. I'll pick it up myself. I'll pick it up myself. You taste it. Okay. I think the chocolate syrup is too like overpowering.
Yeah, definitely.
You know? The
Yeah.
donut is good.
The
क्या
actual
ये? Donut ही है ना? नहीं,
cinnamon roll.
है. It tastes more like donut.
Yeah.
You know? अच्छा है, ठीक है. 3 out of 5.
It's okay.
You wanna try their cookie? Let's try their cookie now. Soft. मजे का. ये ठीक ही है.
Yeah, I don't like this one.
Okay guys, 3 out of 5. It's a nice छोटा सा plaza, right?
Yeah.
Careful. Dhamaka. Mirch Dhamaka. Okay. An Indian restaurant. Watch your step. Watch your step. And snow is not going anywhere. All right, let's go home because it's raining and we're getting wet. Okay guys, bye bye.